If you're a human, then you've definitely yawned before. But why do we yawn? Let's find out. Scientists believe yawning has a social function. Much like laughing or crying, it's a way to bond. When someone else yawns, your brain picks up on it and thinks, hey, join the club. But it's not just about social bonding. Yawning helps cool the brain. Yep, you heard that right. When you yawn, you take in a big gulp of air which cools down the blood flow to your brain. Cooler brain, better focus. Plus, you might yawn when you're tired to wake yourself up. It's like your brain's little reset button. So next time you catch a yawn, remember, it's not just about being sleepy or bored. It's your brain's way of staying sharp and social. Stay curious, folks. Catch you on the next one.